Welcome back to the program about writers of India. Today, especially, I am presenting about Kerala writers. First, already I programmed about M.D. Vasudevan Nair. Secondly, I am going to another memorable writer. She is Kamala Das. She is also became a memory. Today, the writers of India, I am saying about Kamala Das. She is a Malayalam writer to English. She worked, or mostly her works in English also. So, going to Kamala Das was a noted or notable writer in Indian literature. She was equally known in English as well as in Malayalam also. She wrote her novels, journals, and poems in English as well as in Malayalam. So we can describe a Malayali writer to English. Kamala Das was born on March 31st, 1934 in Punnayurkulam, Thrissur district in Kerala, to Nalapat House, famous Taravadu in Kerala. Nalapat in Kerala to Nalapat Balamani Amma, a well-known famous poet to Malayali, and V.M. Nair, a former managing editor of the Madhubhumi, widely read Malayalam daily. I told that Kamala Das mother. Today my program about Kamala Das, but her mother was equally famous like her, Kamala Das. So I am saying some words or uh, denoting her, denoting her mother, Balamani Amma also. I told that Kamala Das mother, Balamani Amma, was a famous poet in Malayalam. Here I am denoting some of her works. Balamani Amma's famous work. One of her work was Amma, that published in 1934. Another work was Muktashi, published in 1962. Madhuvinte Katha, published in 1966. Our Leader, a poem about Gandhiji's, about his ideologies and ideals. Thendigal and Pavangalude Paattu, a poem, Malayalam words, beggars and poor men's. That's its meaning. A poem that described the poverty of the masses and the need to fight against socio-economic injustice. Aikya Kerala, it means United Kerala, a poem that dreams of a unity of Kerala. Inimelil, a poem that fused her feminist response, feminist and nationalist ideals. The Housewife, a poem that explores the concepts of nature, our perceptions of our world, and our inner mind. Balamani Amma was born in 1909 in the old Madras region. She is known as the Amma or Muttashi of in Malayalam poetry. She got many awards and honors also, including the Padma Bhushan, Sahitya Academy Award, and Saraswati Samman also. Above I said about Balamani Amma. Now coming to our famous writer Kamala Das matter. But now I am coming towards Ami or Kamala Das. When she was 15 years old, she married Madhava Das, a banking official for many years. Madhavkuti, that was her pen name for writing. Her writing mostly emphasizing about female sexual desire and the experience of being an Indian woman. Famous works of Kamala Das, Summer in Calcutta, 1965, The Descendants, 1967, The Old Playhouse and Other Poems in 1973, Alphabet of Lust, 1976, A Doll for the Child Prostitute, 1977, Padmavati, The Harlot, 1992. Please translate it to Malayalam. You, your work. That's your work. Other notable works, novel, uh, Tanuppu, novel, famous novel, 1967, means cold. Tanuppu means cold in Malayalam. Balamani, Balyagala Smaranagal, 1987, Childhood Memories. Another famous work, novel, Nirmadalam Putagalam. Perhaps best known works was autobiography, Yende Kada, my own stories. Again, it was translated to English. Um, uh, m- എൻ്റെ എൻ്റെ കഥ in Malayalam and my story published in 1976. She got awards for Pen Asian Poetry Prize in 1963, Kerala Sahitya Academy Award for Story Tanuppu 1967, shortlisted for the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1984. That means she had nominated for Nobel Prize for Literature also in 1967. Kendriya Sahitya, she got Kendra Sahitya Academy Award for English poems, collected poems in 1985. Kendra Sahitya Academy Award she got for collected poems in English. Kerala State Film Award for Best Story in 1988. Vailar Award, Nirmadalangal Putagalam, novel. Asian Poetry Prize in 1998. Honorary D.Litt got from the University of Calicut in 2006. Muttathu Vakki Award she got in 2006. Edutachan Award she got in 2006. She died at the age of 75 on May 31, 2009 at Pune, Maharashtra. Please watch the video about Madhavikutty today. Thank you. Thank you.
Her uncle Nalapad Narayanan Menon was very famous poet and translator. He translated Victor Hugo's novels to Malayalam. Please subscribe my channel Ramesh RS, REMESHRS. Like, share, encourage everyone to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.